In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Tidio Chatbot to your website. Let's start by ensuring you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. If you've navigated through WordPress before, you'll know that this is your hub for making changes and adding features to your site. Once you're in the dashboard, your next step is to locate the sidebar on the left-hand side. Here, find the Plugins section and select Add New. This is where you have the capability to enhance the functionality of your website by installing new plugins. Now, in the search bar, simply type in Tidio. Keep an eye out for a plugin that's typically listed as Tidio, Live Chat and AI Chatbots. This is the one you'll want to install. When you see it, go ahead and click the Install Now button. WordPress will then begin the installation process. It is, for the most part, quite quick, but of course, the speed may vary depending on your internet connection. With the plugin installed, the next step is to activate it. Activation is crucial as it turns the plugin on, integrating it with your website. So, find the Activate button and click it. Once you activate Tidio, you'll notice a new menu item has appeared on the left sidebar of your WP admin dashboard. This indicates the plugin is now integrated into your WordPress setup. Click on this newly added Tidio menu because this is where you can manage everything related to the chatbot. If you don't already have a Tidio account, this is the moment to create one. However, if you're returning, simply log in with your existing credentials. Tidio has made this part pretty seamless. Based on whether you're signing up or logging in, you'll be prompted to provide some details to continue. Just follow the given instructions on the screen. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a setup or product tour. Going through this tour is optional, but I highly recommend you take the time, especially if you're new to Tidio. The tour is designed to help you familiarize yourself with the various features available. During the tour, you'll have the chance to adjust different settings related to the appearance, position, and behavior of the chatbot. This customization is key, as it allows you to tailor the chat box to fit seamlessly into the aesthetic and functional design of your website. And there you have it. You now have a Tidio chatbot live and ready to assist visitors on your website. Remember, having a chatbot is not just about answering questions. It's about enhancing user experience and ensuring that your visitors feel supported. Thanks for joining me today, and happy chatting on your website.